So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get a free domain absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay a single money for your domain. Now this is not a shady video or I will take you to any scam website where they will initially give you the domain for free, but later they will charge you very extra, and once you set up this thing there is no chance that you will get your domain back or your website back. So they will force you to purchase their product. So stay away from this type of scams. So I will tell you this thing how to get it in a legit way, a free domain. So Hostinger has this offer of free domain. So I think all of you know about this Hostinger. It's a very trusted company. So if you don't know, I will show you the reviews. It's more than 55,000 plus reviews. So you see this, you can trust Hostinger. So it's a very popular for web hosting. Hostinger is very popular, no doubt. So for this, what you have to do is, in the description I have given a link. You just have to simply click on the link. So this offer is our channel referral offer. Now here you have to select your country. This offer is valid for all the countries. So no matter from which country you are, you can avail this offer. So now what you have to do is you have to click on claim deal. Now I'm assuming that you are searching for a free domain, then your budget is low. Go for the premium plan. Now go with the 12 months. In the 12 months plan, this offer is valid. So you see this, we are getting 12 months of hosting plus a free domain. What, in which price? You see this, $28. In just that cheap price you are getting this. Now there is our channel referral discount is also there, 20% off. Now search your domain that you need. It's not that scammy thing. They will provide you .com, .xyz. It's like ABC your domain, abc.xyz, this type of shit domain. So you see this, it's a .com. So you are getting .com domain in absolutely free of cost. If not, if you don't need .com, then you can go with any other also. You see this, EU shop, org. So most of the people use .com. You see this. Now I hope this video is helpful for you to get your free domain. If you got your free domain, then what you can do, you can like this video and you can subscribe my channel. So I will bring more videos like this. So this is the legit way how you can get a free domain through offer. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.